Alright, folks. Today, we're taking the classic Embutido and giving it a modern twist, air fryer style. And guess what? No oil, just pure deliciousness. First, grab that ground pork, carrots, cheese, and pickles. Toss in some salt and pepper for that kick. Now, mix it all together like you're making a meatloaf, but way cooler. Time to wrap this beauty in foil like it's a gift from the culinary gods. Make sure it's nice and tight. No one wants a leaky Embutido. Then steam for 15 minutes, let it cool for 10 minutes, best to put in the fridge for 1 hour before cook it in the air fryer. Pop it in the air fryer. Set it, forget it, and let the magic happen. No oil means fewer calories, but all the flavor. Look at that golden perfection. Healthy, tasty, and guilt-free. Who knew Embutido could be this easy and healthy? And if you got dizzy watching this, don't worry, it's just part of the experience.